How are you guys doing today? It's me, Anthony Tirado with AJT FX Learning. In today's video, I actually got a question of when is the best times and days to trade in the foreign exchange market? So in today's video, I just want to give you guys a quick recap of when are the essential times, essential days to trade in the market so you could profit and not have to worry about getting stuck in consolidation or dealing with having a heavy drawdown in your account. But before anything, if you guys haven't done so already, make sure to stay connected with us on Instagram, Snapchat, like our page on Facebook, our link on Twitter, all of which are in the description below, or you could search at AJT FX Learning. And if you haven't done so already, make sure to visit our website at ajtfxlearning.com for a lot of great material there. Follow us for those signals, markups, trader tips, and so much more. So as we already get back into the best times and days to trade, you're already going to be familiar with the foreign exchange market is open 24 hours, 5 days a week, opening on that Sunday at 5 p.m. Eastern and closing on that Friday at 4 p.m. Eastern. As you already know, the foreign exchange market is composed of 4 trading sessions. We have our New York session, our Sydney session, our Tokyo session, and our London session. So it looks something like this. Your New York session from 8 a.m. Eastern to 5 p.m. Eastern, your Sydney session from 6 p.m. Eastern to 3 a.m. Eastern, your Tokyo session from 7 p.m. Eastern to 4 a.m. Eastern, and your London session from 3 a.m. Eastern to 12 p.m. Eastern. So it looks something like this when scaled out on, just a map. Overall, in terms of the hours of when those trading sessions are operating. So ideally, before anything, some quick tips to take in mind is the best time to trade is when the sessions overlap. So when you see that New York-London session overlap, that London-Tokyo session overlap, that Tokyo-Sydney session overlap, you're going to see that there's a lot more movement in the market because obviously you have the banks in both of those areas of the world operating, giving you a lot more momentum and volume in the market. So ideally, you're going to notice that there's that 2-hour period or maybe a 4-hour period that you could get into the market. Make sure that when you are trading in these sessions that you are trading the currency pairs that are related to the session so that you'll see a lot more movement in there. So also, the best days to trade are actually Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. The reason for that is a lot of the people ask me why don't I trade on Sundays when the market opens or on Fridays is because ideally I see that as an opportunity for the market to trap a lot of traders. If I am trading it on those days on the Monday or on a Sunday or a Friday, you'll see that I'm actually just looking to scalp the market, or you'll see that there's a great opportunity to get in and I'll just, let me just profit off of that. But besides that, I like to let the market actually recorrect itself from the beginning of the week so we have those great entries on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. And as you guys already know, as the markets open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, we do not want to overtrade. If you're able to get those profits, take them out of your account and have them in your bank account, they'll be a lot better looking there than in your account of you just trading it and risking it, right? So as you guys already know, for those individuals who are elite members, you could take advantage of the key sessions indicator that we have. As you already know, we are focusing on 5 main currency pairs. So each and every currency pair is actually broken down into the specific times that we're going to trade those and profit off, because I've seen a lot more profit potentials in those times. So as you guys already know, we'll actually overview that maybe at the end of this video so you guys can get an idea of what we're talking about. So the next thing is avoid major news events. As you see, when you get into a session, maybe in the beginning of the session, in the morning during the New York session, you get that New York morning news at 8:30. Avoid those type of events because what that does is now impact fundamentally. So a lot of us, we do technical analysis when we're looking at the charts. So looking at these fundamental news alerts now is looking at a different type of a trading style, which now you need to be more familiarized with. So just avoid the whole news and all. And you could actually visit the Forex Tools tab at ajtfxlearning.com and go to the news calendar to see when is the next news and what pair is actually going to be affected by that. So guys, I hope you actually enjoyed this video in regards to the best times and days to trade in the foreign exchange market. If you found some value, feel free to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I'm definitely here to help you guys become a profitable trader and take things to the next level. This is me, Anthony Tirado, signing off.